Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to download voice messages from Instagram. So first of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna enter the Instagram app, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna swipe right or click the messages at the top right. Next up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just enter the chat that I sent the voice message, or maybe that person who sent the voice messages to me. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just enter the chat right here. And this is, for example, the chat that I'm sent the voice message. So if I hold right here, or even if I hold my friend's voice message, you will only get to see the two options or one option, which is the reply mostly, and the unsend is for you only, okay, if you send the voice message. But unfortunately for now, you can't actually download your own voice messages or even your friends' voice messages. But alternatively, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just swipe up and start recording right here. And what you're gonna do, just click start recording, and as you can see, I'm currently recording. And now if I play this sound or voice message, it will be played inside the screen recording, and I'll be able to hear it. All right. Or you could just play the voice recording right here on your phone. Okay, if you're using iPhone, just go ahead to the voice memos and start recording, and just go ahead to the specific chat right here and start playing the sound inside the chat. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.